I'm Miss Amanda and I work for the Springwater Public Library. And today I'm going to talk to you about another STEM kit we have at the library that you can sign out and take home. And I think that this STEM kit might have been my family's favorite STEM kit so far. We all worked together on it and we all had a really big interest in it. So this kit is the Night Sky Kit. It's this giant kit here. It all comes together. And basically, this is a science kit for you to explore the night sky. So what do you need to explore the night sky? Well, you need a telescope. We have a telescope that you can take home and look at the night sky with. And this thing was fantastic. It was so exciting to look at. And it was really easy. There's also an adapter so you can hook up your phone. So for people who are having a hard time to use the viewfinder, the phone will show you what you're seeing through the telescope. So that was a really cool feature, especially for little people. It also comes with this book called Starfinder. And then something a little bit easier if you're dealing with young kids, it has 50 things to see with a telescope for kids. We had so much fun with this, but definitely be warned an adult needs to be present when this telescope is being used because it's a little bit tricky. So we're outside. We have our telescope here and we're gonna take a peek. Well, we were able to see some stars and the moon and it was super impressive. You can put this amazing kit on hold at the Springwater Public Library because we are awesome like that. Bye.